If you've grown weary of the seemingly endless barrage of cruisers and muscle cars parading through your favorite car show, this innovative Chevy is your first-class ticket to rustic romanticism. A case study in the lifetime dependability of choice American metal, this 3100 was never meant to be a slam trendsetter. But that, our friends, is the very essence of the truck's build. Weathered but solid, this Rat's traditional cab was chopped 5 inches, sectioned 4 inches, and fitted with custom rear glass. Inside is a custom interior that continues the theme of style and usability. Custom fabricated and carefully weathered seats sport rat-themed leather that, you guessed it, is custom to this application. Those buckets front a pinstriped dash that's devoid of everything but temperature, voltage, and oil pressure gauges. The driver grabs a skull knuckle buster to spin a quick-release steering wheel. Plenty of power is provided by 454 cubic inches of modern Chevrolet big block that is topped by an exceptionally rare electric supercharger. The transmission is a TH400 that sends power back to a 10-bolt rear. Combining top-notch innovation with proven mechanicals, it presents the rare opportunity to land a truly unique classic that easily doubles as a well-oiled cruiser. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.